Hi, it's Mark from Training Spark here with another quick tip for anyone who uses LearnDash. In this video, we're going to look at how you can overbrand your LearnDash interface. Now, overbranding, or white labeling as some people call it, is where you give certain groups of users a different look and feel to the site. So, as an example, you might sell your training into organizations, and the organization that you sell your training to might say, right, my staff are going through your courses, but what I want to do is tailor the interface so that it shows my own company logo and perhaps some colours so that those learners feel at home and part of the sort of consistent brand feel of the company. And we're going to show you a plugin that you can use to do this. And it's one of our own plugins, and it's called Organization Toolkit. And it contains a number of features that are intended for anyone who sells their training into organizations. But the one that we're going to look at as part of this video is this one here on overbranding the LMS. So it's a paid plugin, and what will happen is once you buy it, you'll be sent a zip file containing the plugin and a license code. So I'm just going to quickly install that here on this WordPress platform I've got set up. So I'm going to hover over here in the left-hand menu, plugins, and then choose add new. And what you'll get sent is a zip file that you can upload. And I will just go to browse, find the file that we were sent when we buy it, and then we'll click install now. Once you've installed it, you can activate it, and it will ask you to put in a license code. So I'm just going to paste one in here quickly and then activate it. And once that's activated, we've now got our plugin set up, and we can now create what are called these organizations that we can then use to overbrand certain groups. So firstly, we'll head to organizations here within the Organization Toolkit and create our first organization. So as part of this video, what I'm going to do is create a fictitious organization called Home Tech, and what I want to do is make it so that any learners who are within Home Tech's groups see the Home Tech logo instead of the one we have here on this site here, this Jamie and Annie logo. So what we're saying is that we've got a group of Home Tech learners using our courses, but we want it to show the Home Tech logo for them instead of this one, and perhaps change one of the buttons or something like that, just as an example. So I'm going to add a new organization here, and I'm going to call it Home Tech. And what we can do is upload a logo for this company, and I'm just going to choose select files to upload, pick one here, which is the Home Tech logo, and then just choose use this file. And I'm just going to click publish now. So what we've done there is created this Home Tech organization, and it has its own logo. And what we can do is scroll down and choose whether or not people from this organization see this branding. And I'm going to choose show everywhere, which means that it shows on any page that the person is accessing at any point. What we'll then do, once we've created this organization, is go to our LearnDash groups. So we'll go to LearnDash LMS and then groups. And I already have this group set up here called Home Tech Learners. What I'm going to do is choose edit. Head to settings and then scroll down. And what we can do now that we've got this set up is choose an associated organization. So any LearnDash groups you have in your system can be associated with any organizations you set up. So I'll choose here Home Tech. And then what I'm saying here is that this LearnDash group now belongs to Home Tech. So just a reminder of what the interface looks like at the moment. It's just this Jamie and Annie logo here. And what I'm going to do in a separate tab is look at the site as another learner and just refresh the page. And what we find is that they now see the Home Tech logo instead of this one, because they belong to that group which is associated with Home Tech. To take this a step further, we can apply a number of custom CSS changes here. So if you're a web developer or you know a web developer, what they might be able to do is apply some custom CSS here for the home tech organization, and that allows you to really customize this interface and change things like button colors or text colors and fonts and things like that. And it just gives you an extra layer of customization that you can do. So I'm going to head back to organizations, head back to home tech, and what we have beneath this is this custom CSS section here where we can paste in custom CSS that would only be applicable to anyone within this home tech group. I'm just going to copy and paste in some CSS here that I created earlier, and what it's doing is saying that the buttons that you see here should be purple. And web developers will be familiar with this sort of code here. And I'm just going to click Save, switch back to this learner here, and then refresh the page. What we find is that the button now is purple for them. And you can have as much CSS there as you like to tweak other elements of the interface, but it just shows the flexibility that you get here. And now anyone within this home tech group now sees this altered interface, which is designed just for them. And to take things a step further, if we head into one of the courses, if you're using LearnDash's focus mode, this carries through to there. So in the very top left here, we see the home tech logo, and the branding carries right through. So we hope you find this useful, and if you liked this video, please like underneath here, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the Training Spark YouTube channel.